Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to turn off Incognito on YouTube app. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply head over to your YouTube app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my YouTube app. Just like so, when you open up your YouTube app, this is what you get. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. Then nothing is added to the new tab while you are incognito. Next thing you need to do is simply turn off incognito. So simply click on that. And with that, you are signing into your accounts, and then you have successfully turned off incognito on YouTube app without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.